everyone, this is Julie with All About That Grout. Just wanted to let you know I'm at a house here in Murphy, Texas. We do the Dallas-Fort Worth, East Texas area, the surrounding areas of Dallas-Fort Worth and East Texas. But I wanted to show you a little bit about what we do. So you can see half of the floor is clean, half of it's dirty. See the difference? So this is dirty grout, and this is a grout line that I just did. Dirty, clean, dirty, clean. So what we do is we use a special cleaner that we have in this bottle that we mix up. And after it's all clean, the floors, you got to make sure that the pet hair and all of that is off the floor. But I have a special solution here, the grout stain that we use. This has two colors. I'm using a bone and a haystack because the haystack's a little bit too dark and the bone is a little bit too light for this floor. So I want to try to get it to match their backsplash. So what we do after it's mixed, we put this on. She has pretty thick grout lines, so the toothbrush fits in there pretty good. But we put that on there. And you have to learn your grout lines, because if you put this on and you wipe too soon, I'll show you a little bit here. If you wipe too soon, then you're gonna get that effect where you see where you have it and then it's lighter. But then if you leave it on, then do you see where it overlaps the grout line right here and it gets on the tile? Then you're scrubbing for days. So you have to learn each grout line with each house. So what I do, I spray my cleaner on there, then I wipe it. This gives it all a smooth, one-colored look. So if you're needing your grout restained, your tile cleaned and sealed, give us a call, 214-846-1096. We're in the Dallas-Fort Worth, East Texas area. But yeah, I'll show you one more time so you'll know what we're talking about. So there's a dirty. You put that on. This one has to stay just